Hey there, welcome to our new video. And today's question is find the second largest number in an unsorted array. So, how can we do it? We have to just find second largest number. So, let's start. So, we are given this array. Our goal is find second highest number without sorting it. We'll start by setting max and second max smallest possible integer. Now, let's go through each element in array and update max and second max as we needed. First iteration 10 is till now greater because it's first iteration, so 10 is bigger till now, and second max updated to max is 10, and then after the first element max is 10 and second max hasn't changed because we haven't found any second highest number yet. So in second iteration 3 is less than 10 but greater than second max. We set second max to 3. Till now 3 is second max number, and then we'll iterate through loop and then we'll raise to 5, update the values. Now max is still 10 but second max is updated to 5. In this iteration we found a highest second value, so second max becomes 5. Fourth iteration with number 9, second max now becomes 9, which is closer to max. And in fifth iteration 2 is less than both max and second max, so nothing will change. After going through the array, second max holds the value 9, which is second highest number, and we'll simply print it. So this is it, and let's write a code of it so we'll understand in deep. And what we did in this statement, we initialized two variable max and second max to hold the highest second highest value we find in array. We set both integer in a minimum value, which is smallest possible integer in Java. This ensure any number we compare will be higher initially. And then in this for loop, what we did is we use a enhanced for loop to go through each number in the array one by one. This loop will let us check each number and update our max and second max value accordingly. Now check the current number is greater than max. So here we, in this case, we simply update second max, uh, which is this statement, to our current number. We don't touch max because it is still the highest number. And after go through every number in this array, by now max holds the highest number and the second highest number. What we did is finally we print the value of second max, which should be second highest number in the array. So that's it. We have successfully found the second highest number. Let's run this code and see what will the output. And here's the second max number in this array. Let's suppose here let's take 77 and then run it. 10 is second highest number. So that's it. We have successfully found the second highest number in the array without sorting it by using two variables max and second max, and carefully updated the we have looped through the array. We achieve our goal in efficient way. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more programming tips and interview questions. Thank you. We'll meet in next video. So till then, stay curious and keep practicing. Thank you.